Hi, I'm Jim Barger, an Action Business Coach here in Omaha. You know, many business owners get started in their business because they're good at what they do. Plumbers, bakers, accountants, mechanics, and that makes sense. You have to impress your customers with value and expertise. However, I find that most business owners are very weak when it comes to financial knowledge. Very few have budgets, most don't understand what a balance sheet is, and many don't receive regular profit and loss statements. And one of the most dangerous deficiencies is that they don't understand the difference between profit and cash flow. Profit is the mathematical calculation of revenues less expenses, measured over a specific period of time. Cash flow is a measurement of cash as it enters your bank account and leaves. And many things can make these two very different. Receivables is probably the biggest issue. You have to pay for your products as you receive them, but you may not collect your sales revenues until months later. This is called the cash gap, and it can kill your business, literally. Hey, thank you for stopping by my video blog today. If you'd like to talk about how this topic applies to your business, I'll buy the coffee if you bring the topic.